To disassemble your orb, lift the locking clip up, unhook the cable connector while tilting slightly. Remove the top half of the orb. Then remove the top positive ring followed by the positive track. Remove the center assembly and the second positive ring. Your orb is ready to be cleaned and have the positive ring and track set replaced. When replacing the positive ring set, check and ensure the sharper edge is facing up. Place the positive track in the orb, ensuring it slots into the correct position and rests on top of the positive ring. Place the center assembly in the orb, ensuring that the negative copper track is opposite the positive track, and also ensure the center assembly is seated correctly. Finally, place the remaining positive ring in the orb with the sharper edge facing down and resting on top of the positive track. Refit the top half of the orb and reattach the cable connector and push down on the locking clip, ensuring it clips fully home.